Want to cook smarter and healthier? Let's talk about cooking oil. Choosing the right cooking oil can help lower your cancer risk. Start with healthy oils like olive, avocado, or flaxseed. These oils are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Also, pay attention to cooking temperatures. Oils with high smoke points like canola or sunflower are perfect for frying. And always store your oils in a cool, dark place to keep them fresh. Now let's talk about what not to do. Reusing oil, big no-no. Reheating creates harmful carcinogens like acrylamide. Overheating oil until it smokes, avoid it, those toxic fumes are bad news. And steer clear of trans fats found in hydrogenated oils and margarine. They're linked to cancer and heart disease. For a healthier twist, use less oil and try baking, steaming, or grilling instead. Smart oil use can lower your cancer risk and boost overall health. Happy cooking!